Hi friends, welcome to English Tech. Friends, in our earlier video, we have discussed the meaning of the term barriers to communication and the types of barriers to communication. Here in this video, we shall discuss language barriers to communication. Friends, language barriers are also called linguistic barriers. They are called semantic barriers too. We know that a language is a means of communication. It is a vehicle of communication. It carries the message, and therefore it is a very important element in the process of communication. Yet, many a times a language itself becomes a barrier to communication. Now, let me tell you which are the types of language barriers to communication. The first type is lack of a common language. The second one is vague words. Next one is paralinguistic differences, and preciseness and clarity are the types of language barriers to communication. Now, let me explain these types of language barriers one by one. First of all, let's see how lack of a common language works as a barrier to communication. Friends, we know that the world is multilingual. That is, there are many languages in the world. There are thousands of languages in the world. Even the larger countries like India are multilingual. That is, many languages are used, they are spoken in India, and therefore we can say that India is a multilingual country. If two persons whose languages are different and they do not understand each other's languages, it becomes difficult for them to communicate. For example, if a Tamil person visits Punjab and he does not know Punjabi, Hindi and English at that time, and if the Punjabi person does not know Tamil language at that time, it is not possible for them to communicate with each other, as they have their own two separate languages and as they don't know each other's language. In this way, friend, lack of a common language in this situation becomes a barrier to communication. The next language barrier to communication is vague words. Vague words means ambiguous words. In every language, a word has many meanings, and these meanings are used in different contexts. For example, the word lot has the meanings fate, group, and portion in different contexts. Similarly, the word discipline has many meanings. Regulation and subject are commonly known by all. That is, these are the meanings of discipline. If the listener does not know all the meanings of the word, he may take the meaning which the speaker did not intend, and in this way, miscommunication or wrong communication may take place. The proper message cannot be conveyed to the listener in such circumstances. In this way, friends, vague words are also language barriers to communication. Most of the times or sometimes they become hurdle in the process of communication. They do not convey the exact message to the listener. The next kind of language barrier to communication is paralinguistic differences. Pronunciation, tone, accent and speed of speaking are called paralinguistic differences. They change according to location and time also. If the two speakers of the language are from different localities, they cannot understand each other properly because their pronunciation is different. They pronounce the same word differently. They have their own tone, that is, their tones also are different, their accent also is different, and therefore, because of these paralinguistic differences, it becomes difficult for them to communicate properly. In this way, friends, paralinguistic differences become barriers to communication in such situation. The next important language barrier to communication is preciseness and clarity. That is, the speaker should use short and clear sentences. If he does not use short and clear sentences, it becomes difficult to communicate properly. That is, the communication does not take place effectively. If he uses ambiguous or vague sentences, it may convey a very wrong meaning, a very wrong message to the listener. For example, let's have here the sentence, she made omelette of her husband. Friends, this sentence is ambiguous. It is vague. It has two meanings, and one of the meanings is vague. The first meaning is she made omelette for her husband. This is the clear meaning, and this is the meaning perhaps the speaker wants to convey. But its another meaning is ridiculous, and that is she made omelette out of her husband. And this is humorous, ridiculous meaning is it may lead to wrong communication or miscommunication. In this way, friends, preciseness and clarity also is a type of language barrier to communication. Now let me repeat all these types of language barriers to communication once again. The language barriers to communication are lack of common language, vague words, paralinguistic differences, and preciseness and clarity. In this way, friends, here in this video, we discussed language barriers to communication. Thank you.